Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Welcome. Yo soy María Fernanda from Spring Spanish. I am a Spanish teacher on that YouTube channel. I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. My secret passion is mixing languages and travel. I have studied languages in 5 different countries and I graduated from a master's in education in England. I currently speak Portuguese, French, and English. Y espero aprender un nuevo idioma pronto. I have traveled all around the world and I love the fact of getting to know new people, new culture, and of course, music and local food. However, la comida mexicana sigue siendo mi favorita. Hablando de música, me encanta bailar. So, if you need un compañero de baile, I don't know, para bailar salsa, merengue, bachata, then I am your girl. Now, levanten las manos los amantes de los perros. Yo amo los perros. In fact, tengo 10 perros. And of course, chihuahuas, because, why not? And last but not least, another fun fact about me is that I think my purpose in life is to influence people through education. So I know there's still a long way to get there, but here's the first step. And I'm very happy to be here with you, sharing my beautiful language and a bit about my Mexican culture. Because of this, me and the rest of the Spring Spanish team are here to help you master Spanish and get fluent without thinking too much about grammar and conjugation tables. We just want that Spanish rolls off your tongue effortlessly and that you feel confident when speaking Spanish. And we do that through a method called conversation-based chunking. The main idea is that you observe what we native speakers say and you pay close attention to the exact word combinations or chunks, as we call them, when we are speaking. Like me in this video. Could you please rewind? Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Espero aprender un nuevo idioma pronto. And much more. Since you know these word combinations are correct, because you just have heard me saying it and you've heard the Spring Spanish teacher saying them, you can just learn them by heart and use them yourself without thinking about grammar. If you'd like to learn more about this method, make sure to download our Essential Spanish Chunking Kit with tons of chunking examples and a walkthrough video showing you how to learn Spanish with it. The link is in the description below. Before I finish this video, I wanted to let you know that we publish several videos a week on our Spring Spanish main YouTube channel, and you will see one of my episodes every week too. So make sure to subscribe and say hola to a new video is dropped. So, nos vemos por allá. Adiós.